Yeah, I just went live. Where were you guys at for my live? Yeah, I didn't bring my box. So as you see, my beautiful, glorious salad with everything. Whoops. I'm getting a little too excited over here, Tosh. Including cranberries. I think that's what they are. Okay, I'm good. That one was a little too bitter. Okay, that was good. Yeah, these green ones gotta go. It's just a little bit too bitter for my liking. Look at this. This is a good salad from Wendy's, you guys. Look. Oh, and I love that blue cheese. Yes, I do. Okay, I like just about everything. I do. My mother was a nutritionist for like 40 years. Back in the day, you know. And I had a black mother, so you didn't have any choice. You had to eat whatever's on your plate. I don't think it's gonna work, but we'll see. No, it's not gonna work. Maybe. Oh, okay. What is that in there? It tastes kind of peppery. Yeah, that's better. I think that's better. Let's see. So I was just live for, okay, maybe not. Well, sorry, you guys. I try. I really do try. I really, really do. So I was just live for 4 hours. You're going to notice the same attire. Okay, well, you'll notice the same attire a lot because I'm retired. But I don't believe in doing a lot of laundry. I'm not going to pay that water bill for. Anyway. Oh, my. I haven't had a Wendy's salad before, so let's see what we can see, y'all. And I'm going to go live every day this week because man, the salad was good, but you know, Big Mama got to put her boiled egg up in there. I think it's that pomegranate dressing. It tastes a little peppery in a funky blue cheese kind of way. Yep, I'm even eating white parts, y'all. You know, I usually throw them away. That's a really interesting flavor. The blue cheese versus that pomegranate dressing. Oh wow, that's a good Wendy's salad. So I was just live talking about life and stuff. Relationship stuff. Well, not relationship. Getting to know you stuff. Not even the relationship yet. Yeah, I'm hungry. This salad is really good. Mm-mm-mm. So I took a tasty mukbang eat challenge to go live every day. Well, it's not like I'm shy anymore. Well, I just always had this thing about eating in front of people and then trying to eat and swallow and talk within 15 minutes. It was very challenging for me. On my vlog channel, Tasha Loves You, honey, I'm used to talking for hours, but not eating and talking. I've adjusted. So now, I'm gonna hurry up and eat, and then go visit Leilani's kitchen for her seafood boil. Can I even bite that? No. Mm. Apple skin and dentures don't go together. So beautiful. 74 degrees. All right, did you hear the doorbell? Man, that's good salad. I'm ordering these all the time now with my chicken nuggets. Gotta have my chicken. No, never have enough. Should have mixed up my salad a little bit better, but that's okay. I don't mind having a bunch of chicken for last. What time is it? 3 o'clock. It's fun having people come in, change the topic, talk about this, talk about that. Oh, come on. Break it up, break it up. And my little candied pecans. Mmm. Mm-hmm. I don't even like pecans, like. Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah. Man, I love that dressing. Not too bad. Man. Mm-hmm. 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 Mm. Mm-hmm. 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 Man, this salad is good. I have to get it closer to my face so I don't miss a bite. I drop up, you know. You gotta go get you a chicken sandwich, chicken salad from Wendy's. Man, I am really impressed. Well, I knew they were gonna have not the best lettuce, but I didn't think they were gonna put spinach in it with 1 or 2 pieces of good lettuce, 2 different apples. Chicken is good, of course, and roasted gluten-free pecans. Mm, mm, mm. Mm-hmm. 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 That is the shit. What did I have for breakfast? Grits. Mm. Mm-hmm. So you guys visit tomorrow for the live. The sun's already on the other side, but it's still so bright. I almost want sunglasses. Damn apples. Can't chew that skin thoroughly. Mm, mm, mm. You can go get one too if you like salad. I really didn't think I was gonna like that pomegranate dressing, but I sure the hell do. Mm-hmm. You know me, I like anything sweet, so. Mm-hmm. Eat, take the dog for a walk, and watch Lillian's, Leilani's kitchen do her live. Excuse me. She, was cooking it for the 4 hours I did my live. Isn't that smart? That's what I do. I go live. I go watch other people's lives while I clean my house or make jewelry or whatever. So 2 birds with 1 stone. Mm-hmm. Mm. Man, that was good. Save candy for last. That's good. That's my treat for the day. Candied pecans. So good. And even the pecans have a little peppery something in there. Interesting. So, now I'm off like a herd of turtles. Okay, you guys. Go be good to yourself. I'm gonna clean up my mess and go watch Leilani. Okay? Bye, 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 bye. Mwah.